starting around the 7th of June 2023. AMP especially is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.99% in sort of most recent 60-minute, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. AMP sort of has an all-out market cap of $98,072,821 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,219,672 in a really significant manner. This sort of makes AMP by and large positioning at 249 in the digital currency market, which most certainly is very critical in the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the AMP cost forecast finish of 2023. What will AMP certainly be especially worth in 2023, which basically is very critical? Is AMP an excellent venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which is very critical? Will AMP cost really outperform its unequaled high? These truly are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future in an unpretentious manner. AMP value expectation 2023 as per the AMP gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the AMP cost most certainly is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $0. The normal by and large least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be $0 a significant manner. Besides, AMP can truly arrive at a most extreme value level of $0, which sort of is very huge. AMP value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of AMP truly is supposed to explicitly be at around a by and large least of $0 in unobtrusive manner. AMP cost can for the most part arrive at an extremely limit of $0, the truly normal cost of $0 USD. AMP value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of AMP in a real sense is estimated to basically be at around an especially least worth of $0, a genuinely enormous manner. The AMP value worth can in a real sense arrive at a sort of limit of $0, the truly normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an unobtrusive way. AMP value expectation August 2023. The cost for AMP in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, which in a real sense is very critical. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around $0 in especially significant manner. AMP value figure September 2023. The normal cost of AMP could especially go to $0 the finish of September 2023, which generally is very critical. AMP could be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of $0, the truly least expected cost of $0, a kind of huge manner. AMP value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the kind of most extreme cost for AMP could truly stretch around $0, or so they explicitly thought. Besides, the minimum cost of AMP in October 2023 essentially is $0, an especially normal cost of $0, which for the most part is very critical. AMP value estimate November 2023. The by and large normal cost of AMP could truly go to $0 the finish of November 2023, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP could essentially be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $0, the base expected cost of $0, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. AMP value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of AMP especially is supposed to fundamentally be at around a kind of least of $0, or so they truly thought. AMP cost can generally arrive at a truly limit of $0, the extremely normal cost of $0 USD, which especially is very critical. AMP certainly passed value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto especially has been fundamentally diminished by 2.59% in its ongoing worth. Essentially further appearance how besides AMP can in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0, or so they thought. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the kind of current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, all things considered. Further appearance how starting around the 7th of June 2023 AMP truly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.99% in absolute most recent 60-minute, which essentially is genuinely critical. AMP is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The AMP is down to nearly 9.72% in the truly most recent 7 days, showing how starting around the 7th of June 2023 AMP explicitly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.99% in certainly most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. The coin for the most part is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for especially past in every practical sense. Scarcely any days, the coin could all things considered, have areas of strength for pretty in any case. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in beautiful present moment, demonstrating the way the AMP cost can sort of arrive at a sort of limit of $0, the very normal cost of $0 USD. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP in a real sense diminished by 41.938%, killing an astounding kind of normal amount of $0 its sort of current worth, showing that AMP value expectation August 2023. The cost for AMP in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a great sort of purchase, a potential open door for speedy interest in a very enormous manner. The 90 days cost change is near 52.51%, and the cost commonly coursed from an exceptionally least beautiful typical cost of $0, extremely greatest pretty normal cost of $0, the beyond 90 days. AMP especially is somewhere near 25.32% with the in every practical sense greatest normal cost of the coin truly was around $0. The really least sort of typical cost of for the most part was around $0, essentially beyond 4 months in a significant way. AMP value estimate 2023 FAQs. What will generally be AMP especially worth in 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner? The AMP cost by and large is determined to by and large arrive at a very greatest degree of $0 kind of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, which especially shows that MP basically has an essentially all-out market cap of $98,072,821 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,219,672. Truly, in spite of mainstream thinking, does AMP in every way that really matters have a future, which in every practical sense is very huge? As far as value, AMP especially has an extraordinary sort of potential to in a real sense arrive at new levels, exhibiting that the coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for past beautiful few days. The coin could truly have kind of solid basics yet. We don't in every practical sense feel that it would a productive resource in lovely present moment, demonstrating the way that AMP cost can truly arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0, the truly normal cost of $0 USD, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. It truly is gauged that AMP will increment in esteem. Kind of additional appearance. How sort of is AMP an essentially wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, which in every practical sense is very huge, as per for the most part unambiguous specialists and business experts. AMP can basically raise a ruckus around town. The greatest cost of 9 cents till 2030 in a very large manner. Is AMP worth purchasing in 2023, or so they essentially thought? AMP's worth basically is supposed to sort of keep on growing, as lack will in general truly empower cost rise, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Kindly note, there fundamentally is a gamble to any venture, only in every practical sense. Put resources into what you can for the most part achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the truly greatest exploration conceivable. Further appearance. How the 90 days cost change explicitly is near 52.51%, and the cost generally flowed from an especially least certainly normal cost of $0, truly greatest kind of normal cost of $0, the genuinely beyond 90 days, which certainly is very critical.